Here is the pen I borrowed from you yesterday. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help.
Excuse me, I think you gave me the wrong order.
Oh, I am very sorry about that. Let me fix it for you.
What time does breakfast service start in the morning?
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the dining room.
I am so excited about the company party next week.
Me too. It is always a lot of fun.
So, the meeting is on Wednesday?
No, sorry, I made a mistake. The meeting is on Thursday.
This is a photo from my trip to Paris.
Wow, it looks beautiful. That is the Eiffel Tower, right?
I am going to send this postcard to my family.
That is a very nice thought. They will be happy to receive it.
Thank you again for helping me with my computer.
It was no problem at all. I am happy I could fix it.
The weather is so nice. Do you want to go for a short walk during our break?
Yes, that sounds lovely. Let's go in 10 minutes.
Is it okay if I close the door? It's a little noisy outside.
Yes, of course. Please go ahead.
So, just to be sure, your phone number is 555-1234?
That's right. You have the correct number.
Did you hear about the new company project?
Yes, I heard about it. It sounds very interesting.
Excuse me, is there a bank near here?
Yes, there is one across the street, next to the bookstore.
Is our colleague back from his vacation yet?
No, he comes back to the office next Monday.
I can't find the sales report on the computer.
I can help you. It is in the folder named Projects 2025.
I am very sorry, but can we move our meeting to 3 p.m.?
Yes, that is no problem for me. I will update the calendar.
The weather is not very nice today. It's so cloudy and cool.
I know. I hope it is sunny again tomorrow.
I am sorry. I did not understand the last part. Can you explain it again?
Of course. I said we need to finish the presentation by Friday.
Good morning. I need to check out. My room number is 402.
Okay, here is your bill. How would you like to pay?
How is the project going?
It is going well. I finished the first part yesterday.
Are you free for dinner on Saturday evening?
Yes, I am. Where should we go?
Is the coffee machine working today?
No, it is still broken. Someone is coming to fix it this afternoon.
I need to start packing for my trip to Berlin.
That's exciting. Don't forget to pack a warm coat.
How do you come to work every day?
I usually take the train. It's faster than driving.
I like your new glasses. They look very good on you.
Thank you so much. I'm happy you think so.
Excuse me, can you please take a photo of me and my friend?
Yes, of course. Just show me how to use your phone.
I have some cookies. Would you like one?
Oh, yes, please. Thank you. That's very kind.
What does the word agenda mean?
It's a list of things to talk about in a meeting.
I think I lost my wallet. I can't find it anywhere.
Oh, no. Did you check your coat pocket?
Are you sure this is the right address?
I'm not completely sure. Let me check on my map again.
I would like to book a city tour for tomorrow.
Okay, we have tours at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Which one do you prefer?
What is your biggest goal at work this year?
I want to learn some new skills and manage a small project.
Can I have your phone number, please? I need to call you later.
Sure, my number is 555-2468.
Did you see the new action movie?
No, I didn't. Was it good?
Sorry to interrupt, but I have a quick question for you.
It's okay. What do you need to know?
Is it better to take the bus or the train to the museum?
The train is faster, but the bus stop is right in front of the museum.
Okay, thank you for your help. It was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great day. Goodbye.
I want to thank you for all your help this week.
It was my pleasure. We are a team, after all.
Our colleagues' work on this project was very good.
I agree. He helped the team a lot.
Do you know when the office is closed for the Christmas holidays?
I think it is closed from December 24th to the 26th.
This task is quite difficult for me.
I can help you with it. 2 people can solve it faster.
Welcome back. Are you feeling better now?
Yes, thank you. I am happy to be back at work.
I want to check the deadline. Is it Monday or Tuesday?
The deadline is Tuesday, at the end of the day.
Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Certainly, I will bring it to your table right now.
My flight is delayed by 2 hours.
Oh, that's not good. I hope you don't have to wait too long.
Where are you from?
I am from a small town near the mountains. It is very beautiful.
What is the best way to get to the airport from here?
The airport train is the fastest. It leaves every 30 minutes.
I can't connect to the Wi-Fi here.
Sometimes you need to open a web page to log in first.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one older brother. He lives in Canada.
What should we do this afternoon?
It's a sunny day. How about we go to the park?
We got the contract.
That is wonderful news. Everyone will be so happy.
What do you usually do on Saturdays?
I usually clean my apartment in the morning and relax in the afternoon.
What do you think of this new design?
I like it a lot. The colors are very modern and bright.
I am sorry for the noise. My phone was ringing.
It's no problem. Don't worry about it.
Are you free to talk for a few minutes?
I am in the middle of something. Can you come back in 10 minutes?
Can you do me a favor and watch my bag for a minute?
Yes, of course. I will stay right here with it.
I would like to rent a small car for 3 days.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license with you?
I'm so sorry, I forgot your name.
That's okay. It happens sometimes.
I can take notes during the meeting if you want.
Thank you. That would be very helpful for everyone.
The results from the project are very positive.
That's great to hear. The team worked really hard on it.
Oh, I completely forgot to call the client back.
You can call them now. It is still early in the afternoon.